So over here you can see that I have this particular image right here, and let's say what I want to do is apply the displace effect to it. So in order to go ahead and do that, you need to go around under the effects menu right here and then go around over here onto distort section under effects. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply choose displace, and then this is the effect that you get right here, as you can see, just like this. So this is what you have. You got the tile, so you can go around and change around the horizontal level of effect for this displacement and the vertical level of displacement, just like this as well. You can also go ahead and stretch to fit right here, just like this, and then you can go ahead and displace it out, just like this. So you can go for tile mode or stretch to fit, as you can see right here. And you can also go ahead and choose different types of displacement methods right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto tile, then you get more of these, and then you can see that this is what you have. You get this effect just like this, and you can change around the horizontal and vertical level of effect as you want right here. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the displace effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.